What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at where the spare tire, the jack, and the lug nut wrench that you'll need to change a flat tire are located in a 2025 Chevy Trailblazer. So although all those items I just mentioned are going to be in the rear of the vehicle, as you can see I've already got the back hatch open. Then I'm going to pick up on this deck lid right here, and this will kind of hold itself up like that, but if you want it to be up a little higher, you can just kind of pull it out and push it up like that. We see our spare tire right here. This is held on by this wing nut. I've already got this one loosened up to save time, but this will just spin off of there. And then the tire will pick up out of there like that. Once you get the tire out, below here, we have our jack. And then down in this compartment in here, we have this. This is going to be the handle for the jack as well as the lug nut wrench. And this will just fold open like this. And you're left with that. This goes on this end for the handle for the jack, and then it's also your lug nut wrench. So that should be everything you need in order to change your flat tire. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.